Before we get into the video, I would just like to say I will be putting the downloads to everything that you need in the description of the video and pinned comment. Hey guys, welcome to another video on Mr. Den VR. Recently, a lot of you guys have been asking me how to get Gorilla Tag copies with mods that have stuff like this and like 11-page mod menus and stuff like that. Some people have been asking, how do you get it? So this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get CX File Explorer and how to get the Gorilla Tag copies. So guys, the first thing you are going to need to do is you're going to need to go to your store and you're going to search up mobile, this is how you spell it. Mobile VR station, just like this. And then get this right here. Then after that, here's how to download the file to get CX File Explorer. Okay guys, after you are done downloading mobile VR station, you're gonna go to your browser and you're gonna search up CX File Explorer APK. Okay guys, once you get to this step and in the link, make sure to follow my steps very carefully because this is a very important step. Okay. Then you'll find cxfileexplorer.en. Okay, anyways, then you're going to click that link and you should be brought here, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to be putting the download to CX File Explorer in the description and pinned comment. So you're going to click a free download right there. And then right here, it's going to look like this. But basically, once you're here, you're going to click free APK download again. And then it says your download, you have to let this load for a little bit. And now the download has started. After it's done downloading, you can check in your notification center. You're going to go into mobile VR station. And once you are in mobile VR station, follow these steps correctly. If you don't follow them right, you won't be in the right area. So first you're going to click local files, then all folders, then Android, then data. Then, it doesn't matter if that says failure and stuff. Then you're going to go to scope storage actions and click step 1, request access. Now, all of this should be here. And then what you're going to do, if it says Quest 2, Quest 3, whatever, Quest Pro, you're just going to click the Quest thing. And then you're going to look and then you'll probably see download. You're going to click download. And over here, you should see COM CX Inventor. Then you're going to you're not going to click it. You're going to click these 4 arrows. So you're going to click that, click continue. And then for me, it says update, but for you, it should say install. And you're going to click that. And by the way, if it goes blurry, just close this app, close mobile VR station, and reopen it and repeat the process. But yeah, here's how to get the Gorilla Tag copies. All these games that I'm showing you, I will also be putting in the description and pinned comment. So guys, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your browser again. And then you're going to search up itch.io right here. And if you haven't been to the link before, just click itch.io link. As I said before, if you don't want to go to the link, I'll be putting the link to the games in the description and pinned comment. You're going to click search for games or creators. And then if you want Project Shadow, you're going to type in Project Shadow. And the spelling has to be correctly, so yeah, I'll put the game in the description and pinned comment. But this is, and then you're gonna click it, and the new APK it came out. So you're gonna click download, and then it's downloaded. Now here's the thing: there's an even better Gorilla Tag copy that I'm gonna be making a video on sometime. But it's called Project Nox, but there's more than one, okay? So this is the one you're gonna have to get. So there's a bunch of them, but this is the one that has the Unity thing, and I'll put the APK in the description for here too. This game has a bunch of mods, but yeah, once you download the APK, whatever, you just gotta wait for it to finish downloading. So guys, after they're downloaded, this is how to find CX File Explorer. So over in this area, you're going to click all and you're going to click unknown sources. You will not have all this stuff. This is different games. You should find CX File Explorer if you did the thing right in Mobile VR Station. You're going to click CX File Explorer and then you're going to click downloads. And then you should find Project Nox Ultimate and whatever game you download. You're going to click on that, not the box, but that. You're going to click it. You're going to click this. It's going to say this. Then it should say install, but for me it says update. And then, after the things update and stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Once they are downloaded, you should find them in this tab area. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this helped. See you in the next video.